Hi students, I'm going to install Visual Studio 2019. Okay, you can go to the website, it's right over here. So here is your Visual Studio 2019 downloads. The community edition is what you need to download and install. This is for academic use. It's open source and it's free. Professional and enterprise, you have to pay. This is for enterprises and for companies. So we will be downloading the free edition and installing that. Okay, now I've already downloaded it. Okay, all I have to do is run it. Okay, sorry. It's already in my downloads folder. I just have to access it. There, continue. So it tells which components you want to install. These components we can add later. Okay, you see there are different tabs as well. Individual components, language packs, and so on. So what we would be first and foremost interested in is desktop and mobile. That is .NET desktop development. Okay, this is what we are interested in. So it's installing in your C drive. Other components you can actually install later. Okay, you can always run the installer and whichever component you need for future, for ASP or perhaps Azure or Node.js, you can add later. For now, just install .NET Desktop Development. This is the main components, okay, that we need to develop our distributed computing tools solutions using C#. So we can start installing, and then the installation will start. This may take some time depending on the speed of your internet and speed of your computer. So after the installation, it says that you have to restart your computer, and after that the remaining setup will continue. So just restart your PC. So once the installation is over, you can access it here, Visual Studio 2019. You can open it. It will ask you to sign in. You can create an account if you don't have one. If not, you can perhaps do that later. It will ask you what kind of environment do you want. Okay, you can choose which environment. I would choose the default one and then start Visual Studio. So this is for the first time installing this PC. Actually, I've uninstalled and reinstalled in this PC particularly. I've got it on another PC and it works very good over there. So here we are. Okay. So this is where you can create a new project, and when you select create a new project, you'll be taken to this window and you can select whichever option that you want to use to create your new project.